美国总统 Trump 就任了后，头摆去北卡罗来纳州甲加州勘灾，伊批评联邦紧急事务管理局救灾无尽力，讲要签行政命令重整，或者是废除。因为 Trump 伫咧加州是承诺讲要甲加州的州长 Newsom 斗阵解决野火的问题。
Not even believable. It's really not believable.
视察洛杉矶断崖大火和小气的社区，美国总统川普对灾区的惨况表示我都相信。川普伫出发勘灾前，捌亲自改批评加州州长纽森、甲洛杉矶市长巴斯的无能，放掉要靠联邦政府的补助款。啊，不过伫甲纽森会面了后，川普的语气放软，改讲会甲加州合作，因应洛杉矶野火灾情。
We want to get it fixed. We want to get the problem fixed, and there'll be some ways, but. Like you got hit by a bomb, right? Yeah. Like you got hit by a bomb. Would you like to say
most importantly, thank you for being here. It means a great deal to all of us.
川普捌批评加州的水资源管理政策，浪费北加州的水源，致使南加州的消防用水不足。不过专家表示，这两个中间无牵连。这是川普上任了后头一届去灾区勘灾，除了加州野火灾区，进前川普佫先到北卡罗来纳州视察去年9月海伦风台灾情。川普批评联邦紧急事务管理局 FEMA 对北加州救灾不力，放掉要签署行政命令，重整也是彻底废除 FEMA。
Whether it's a Democrat or Republican governor, you want to use your state to fix it and not waste time calling FEMA. And then FEMA gets here and they don't know the area. They've never been to the area. And they want to give you rules that you've never heard about. They want to bring people that aren't as good as the people you already have. And FEMA's turned out to be a disaster.
不过有专家是讲，若是川普想要彻底废除FEMA，必须得到国会同意，无法度一个人就决定。若是国会参议院二时对国防部长赫格塞斯的人事任命案进行投票，结果出现50对50的票数，甲壁伫副总统兼参议院议长范斯投赞成票，可以赢一票惊险过关，是历史上第2人。赫格塞斯因为无认同美军推动多元化兵权加包容政策受到质疑，共和党内有3个人走票。包括前参议领袖麦康诺，伊尾仔就发声明，严厉批评赫格塞斯，并无对安怎保卫台湾、菲律宾免受到中国攻击提出实质的意见。公司新闻陈伟仁编译。